Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are making a farmhouse window scene decoration. Please keep watching to see how to make it. You will need a Dollar Tree canvas, ribbon, berries, glue sticks, glue gun, Garland, and a Dollar General placemat. Now you would take the canvas part of the canvas and keep the wood. And behind there are staples. You can take them out or keep them, but no one will be able to see them. When you glue all four pieces together, you can glue with any kind of glue, and you can stain it with any kind of stain or paint them. It's your choice. Now it's time to glue your placemat to the back of it. You see where Farm Fresh Christmas tree, there's a little point on top. That helps you to keep it in the center. It'll be easier when you put it to the light, you can see it. You glue it to the middle, to the out part of it. And then after it's glued, you just trim it up and you're ready. Now it's time to put your garland on. And you can put it on the bottom or top, whichever way. Now you put your ribbon on, and then you'll put your berries on, and then you're all finished. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Have a blessed day. Bye.